Okay, this is going to be a quick tutorial of how to use echo and how to use cat. This is echo and this is cat. So, yeah. There we go. That's clear. So, echo is going to let us write anything into a file. Hello. We're going to write it into text.text. Cat is going to let up. So, if I put ls, you can see the text.text got created. We can see what's in that text.text using cat. So cat text and it prints it out into the screen. Now, if we use echo and we type in the exact same thing with one arrow, you're going to see that it overrid anything that was in there. If we don't want to override it, what you have to do is have two arrows. So now when I do cat to read what's in that file, you see override second. To further to example, we're going to do the third line. And now we do cat. And again, if you have to be careful with the echo command, because if I only do the one arrow, you will see that it all got overridden. And there you go. That is how you use echo to take quick notes and cat to print out whatever is in those notes.